Okay, Satvik, here's this problem dealing with relative frequency. So what I'm going to ask you to imagine is that instead of the number 1 here, this was the number 1,000. In other words, we could multiply every decimal in these boxes by 1,000, and that would be the actual number. So if there were 1,000 total students, there would be 225 students with black hair and brown eyes. And that means that to solve this problem, we don't actually know what this number is here. So we can represent that with the letter X. And to solve for X, we're going to use this piece of information right here. So how many actual students are there with brown hair and blue eyes? Well, if there are X total students, brown hair and blue eyes is this number right here. So we have to take 0.125 times X to get the number of students that actually go in this box right here. And blonde hair and blue eyes is this box. So blonde hair and blue eyes is 0.075x. And this represents the number of students that appear in each of these blocks. But we're told that the number of students with brown hair and blue eyes, represented by 0.125x, is 4 more than the number of students with blonde hair and blue eyes. So if we solve this equation for x, we'll have the number, the actual number that goes in this box. So that's, if I subtract 0.075x from both sides, I get 0.05x equals 4. Whoops. Wait a minute, let me pause the video here. I think yeah, so I just wanted to make sure I did that calculation correct in my head. 0.05x equals 4. So I multiply both sides by 0.5, or divide both sides by 0.05, or multiply by the reciprocal of 5/100ths. That's 4 times 100 over 5. That looks like 80. So it looks like 80 students were surveyed. Now that's not the answer to the question. How many total students have black hair? Black hair goes right here. Well, we have to go all the way over to this column right here. The total number of students that have black hair is 0.25 of the total number of students, which is 1/4. So 1/4 of 80, or 20. Okay, so that's how relative frequency works. These relative frequencies are a percentage or a fraction of the total number of students surveyed in this case. Okay, so I'm going to end this video, save it,